Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your online banking account of PNC. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to log in into an online banking account, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already enrolled or registered into an online banking account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So then let's get started. So in order to log in, you need to open up your web browser, and on the search box you need to type in the link that will be www.pnc.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you click on the link, your next interface will be directed to the official site, and in the top right corner you'll be able to see an option as sign on. Click on it. As soon as you click on sign on, right at the bottom a drop down menu appears, and here you need to provide your login information. First of all, you need to enter your user ID and the password in case if you're unable to log in because of your incorrect information. So you can simply click on the link that is forgot ID or password, and then you'll have some alternative in order to recover your account. And also, if you don't have an online banking account, then you can click on enroll in online banking, which is in the right hand side corner, and you can click on it and then begin with the enrollment. Once you're done entering your login credential, click on login, and that is how you can log in into your PNC bank account. And that is how you can log in into your online banking account of PNC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.